find out.
Where are you from?
Anambra.
Anambra State. You are from Biafra.
I'm from Anambra State.
Anambra, because I feel like those
Biafra no be state.
Imo are Biafra people.
We are. I don't know how I want to. You wish you are from Anambra. Where are you from? Oh, boy, all of us are the all of us are Igbo.
You say what? You are saying something.
So I was trying to say, we are Igbos.
Igbos. What now brought about the Biafra?
That's our baptism name. I don't know. I won't go deep into it because no be me.
Please, I want to go deep.
You can go. Me, I not be.
No, I want you to go
now
deep.
Music I gotta sing.
No.
Kcee have finally denied that he is not from Biafra. That Biafra is a baptism name. Just look at how or what this man called Kcee spoke on this interview, saying that Biafra is a baptism name, that he is not from Biafra. That he is not from Biafra. This is total disgrace to womankind. I don't believe that this man called Kcee, of all people, will say such thing.
Also, Buzo, where do our ancestors? Bundana 300 tracks in 1 month. Still, when Gaga. Example, Kcee. Kcee, you know what we can be solved. So the man I can go. I have a competition today. I can go. So the good know in a month. Ego but every I think rather have a go and goes. Oh, when copy. I better copy. You're number one. A copy go. In a copy the money. Copy a destiny money. Copy a woman equal. In the hand, copy. Even when I go and get drop on neighbor can a video blood as so I better sway go make the put a G-Wagon, put a Rose, put a Pontiac, put a Ferrari, put a bullion van, put a dollar, make in the still a Guaheru 300 view on Instagram. Ancestors appear because he hate the Igbo. To open mouth to quote, I'm Biafra because of your property in Lagos. Don't worry. Throws like a rebel ribe. Yeah, in Eze. Now the kind of crusade, serve one that come back in shame. But he deny Igbo na public. Igbo he deny Quack na public. He deny Igbo. That's actually cut it from my jogger said, where are you from? He say Anambra. Are you a Biafra? Say no, I'm not a Biafra. I'm Anambra. Anambra, give Anambra. That is why we grown across or across. Abi me born like this as no matter I'm over hate you, but I don't want to say. But me born, they won't go drop on last. Bear money over, shorty over, VIP sell over. If you can't go see, then they make a good joke. It would not top 10 na Spotify. Or to have 1 naira. Oh my na you even happen now. Say if you use my music, you go pay. If you use don't use my music, people are use you. But I don't want to put a billion, trillion dollar. What use you? Still, I use where only here 30 comments and 44 views. Deny Igbo, you deny you soon.